What's up? Back at it again. So we're gonna be running the Dom. I got impatient on the 200 Sea King, so I just went ahead and threw the Hydra from the Blackjack in here, and hopefully when that Sea King comes, we're gonna throw that in the Impulse and run it on 10, 12S and go for speed runs on it. I ordered it like a week ago, and I guess they're sending it on the Oregon Trail or something, so it's taking a long time. But anyway, so yeah, we're gonna run this one. Just put this prop on. It's the M447. We'll try this prop, and then I have the other 4514. We'll try that too. My GPS is at 4%, so I don't know how. Probably should have charged that before I came out, but yeah, so we'll give it a run, check the temps, and hopefully this setup with that ESC is going to run pretty cool, and we're going to have a decent bashing, can't even talk, setup. So, all right, I'll put you on real quick. Yeah, hopefully y'all are in frame. So I can turn this on. Taping this up. What's y'all's biggest pet peeve running boats? For me, it's feeding the antenna tubes through the wire. Like usually it's like 3 inches behind the thing. You gotta like put your finger in there, and it's a pain in the ass. So that's one of them. My other one is, or my biggest kind of complaint, is why companies would do a 6.5 and a 6mm bullet. Like, just go with a standard size. Like, every time I want to try on different motors and try different combos, I have to literally resolder, either go from a 6.5 to a 6 to a 6.5, solder on the bullets, and it's like for a 0.5 millimeter difference. Like, just everybody stay with the same size. Like, Jesus Christ. Anyway, and I didn't even turn it on. Of course. I'm so used to that OSC where it just turns on when you plug it in. Alright. Yeah, the bullets. That is so annoying. It's like, oh, I want to try out this new motor, this new KV. Oh, of course, it's a 6.5 and not a 6. Or vice versa. It's like, come on. It's like, I don't know who thought of that. Some company's like, oh, we're going to be different. We're going to go with a 0.5 millimeter different than the normal size. Alright. Well, let's turn 2%. That's not gonna last, but we'll try it. Battery's running low. It's not even gonna let us do it. Track, yeah, whatever. All right, so we're not gonna get a speed run, but we can kind of tell. So we'll run it for about a minute. These are a little heavier packs. These are 7600 3S packs, so it's running on 6S. And we'll try this prop. Holy crap. This prop takes off like a missile. And it cut off. I don't know what that is. What the hell is that? Oh, I see smoke coming out of the thing. Burn something. can see it coming out of the... See it? Jesus, why is it so hard to figure out how to set up? God, that was fast. Hopefully I didn't burn up that ESC. Well, y'all ready for a smoke show? Look at all that smoke. It's about to be bad. Look at it. Check some temps and see if we can get to the bottom of that. Unplug it. It's hot. I can already feel it. I think we burned our motor up. 1,200. Oh my God. Oh, Jesus. Just gonna touch that. ESCs, 120s. What are the bullets? 130s. Go down to, I picked up a 1700. This is a 2200 kV 3674, so we're gonna have to put in the 1700. I wish I would have had the GPS on that. It was probably pretty quick. Burned it up. And yeah, we'll throw the 1700 on there, and I don't know, because I was planning on throwing that 1700 in the impulse and then running it on like 9S for speed runs, see what happens. But man, that was maybe 30-40 seconds and it burned that motor up. So it is what it is. All right, so we'll brought this other boat out here just because it's getting dusty. We'll run it for a little bit. Gotta give it a boat wash. Spectrum, if y'all are listening, ditch this wheel thing. It's so annoying. It just jumps around. All right, there we go. Yeah, so we're running this on 4S. It's, I took this dynamite system out of the UL19. How you doing? Okay. And yeah, so it's run a 6S system on 4S. This is a fun little boat. It's like I was speed running it a while ago, throwing like 5S into it, but once I picked up the other blackjack, it went to the shelf. But I think this boat handles better than the newer version. What the fuck? Oh, red hydro. That's not the right boat. Red blackjack 24. That'd probably help. Alright, there we go. Now, I'm gonna give this one a little bash. I can't believe I burned that motor up. Damn. Servo's reversed. I threw in a new ESC on this one a couple months ago. There we go. It's funny, I'm driving this boat after that, the Dominator, it just does not turn. Jesus Christ, what a boating day. What a boating day. Didn't even turn that hard and flip. All right, well, I guess that's it for the day. I'm frustrated. So anyway, yeah, so like I said, stay tuned. We'll get the Impulse, try to run that, go on some speed runs, go 9S, start out with, probably go 10S, and then 12S eventually if it can handle it. But, alrighty.